We got serious trouble down here. Right now, there's a woman stranded way over there in the corner. Do you see her? She's stranded. These people down here are trying to rescue her, but they're not able to. They're calling for lifeboats. They're calling for the Coast Guard. Nobody can get to that lady. She's stranded. Let me see. Let me see the camera. We have rescue aid coming up. We have people coming up. Okay. Is he gonna do it? It looks like somebody tried to tube down the river and they didn't make it. Another victim of Irene. You can see the dam totally broke. Water's pouring into Bristol right up against the houses. There's no way to stop it.
So as we can see, we got some more damage down here.
You okay?
Yeah, you okay?
Yeah. Get up, man. Good? Watch your head, watch your head. Whoa.
You may not be able to. Could I please have a small white hot chocolate? Yes.
Storm chasers! Holy cow, storm chasers! Storm chasers! Alright. Oh my god, what's happening down there? Oh my god. Alright. Holy cow. Oh no.
Wow.
Storm chasers.
Did you see the buildings collapse?
Holy cow, storm chasers.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
This is the emergency broadcast from the Federal Emergency Management Agency, along with the President of the United States, has declared martial law. All
roads are deserted.
Everything is shut down. This road was 3 feet underwater about a couple hours ago. They called in the National Guard.
Attention all citizens. Attention all citizens. This is an emergency broadcast from FEMA, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, along with the President of the United States, has declared martial law. All states, regions, and commonwealths of the United States are now under martial law.
I'm helplessly needless and needless to say I owe you. Well, I'd wait 10,000 clicks for just one more chance to see your face again. Well, I'd pull 6 times away out the earth with my teeth. Touch your face alive. You lie helplessly still as your face falls apart. You lie helplessly still as your face falls apart.